What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are checking out the Barbie Advent Calendar. I bought this on Amazon. It had an original price of $33.99. However, I got it on sale for $23.49. There are 24 surprises that we can see on the back of the box. But there is a total of 25 items. See, the first one is just not a surprise because we can see the doll. At the top corner, there's a spot to write to and from or a little holiday message, whatever you want. While the packaging is giving a frosty vibe with little snowflakes, the fashion is not. Looks like this Barbie is spending her holiday in a warmer climate. But I want to know, are there any pieces worth adding to my doll wardrobe? So let's take a look at door number 1. I am destroying this box. We get a doll in a bathing suit with the basic 5 points of articulation. The doll has brown hair with a center part. Her eyebrows, eyes, and lips are a little pixelated and shiny. Her hair might need a little attention out of the box. And the doll comes dressed in a pink and silver zebra print bathing suit. It opens with Velcro in the back, so it is removable. And look at that! It can fit a classic made-to-move Barbie, who will be replacing the basic 5 points of articulation doll for the rest of the video. And let's open our second door, which is a purse. It is a blue gem purse with silver glitter embedded into the plastic. It does open. We've seen this purse before with other dolls and accessory packs. And here it is with the doll. Let's open door number 3. I'm gonna mess up my nails doing this. There we go. We're getting sunglasses with pink frames. Door number 4 is another pair of sunglasses. Only these are orange. On day number 5, we find a turquoise beach bag that is open, which can come in handy for holding on to those spare sunglasses. On day 6, we get a dress. It's pink, sparkly, and scrunchy. This is totally giving Barbie glam, and I love it. The dress has clear straps. The fabric continues all the way around, and it velcros in the back. However, I did notice that this fabric pulls a little, stretching the design, so take care when closing the Velcro. But this could be a very cute look for New Year's. Door number 7 is more fashion. It's a beach wrap or cover-up with what looks like a shell print. It velcros on the side, and the pattern goes all the way around. I know Barbie is kicking it in Malibu, but personally, I would have liked to have seen more winter-themed clothing. We are now opening number 8, and when I say winter, I mean cold weather. Here we are getting a silver faux leather jacket with sleeves that stop at the elbow. It velcros in the front, so if you want to keep the jacket open, the Velcro will be visible. And of course, we can mix and match the pieces and accessories. Opening door number 9 with white boots with a sculpted ruffle on the side. This could be a look. Opening door number 10, which is a scrunchy pink top that we can pair with the wrap. Unfortunately, mine does have a small hole in it. Let's see what's behind door number 11. It's a pink purse with fringe and a clasp. It doesn't open, but it can fit onto the doll's hand. On the 12th day of Barbie's Advent Calendar, we get a cat that is white with a removable collar. I am known for complaining about Barbie pets, but I don't mind the cat. Opening day 13, it's a pink star necklace. I keep reminding myself that these are supposed to be small prizes. No one's expecting to get like a couch or anything. On day 14, we get an orange purse. I like the design, and I feel like I appreciate it a lot more after the necklace. Sorry, I'm not trying to put down the necklace. If you like the necklace, then great. For me, it was just a tiny bit underwhelming. I feel like I can get something like this at the dollar store. Because we can. I'm getting 2 necklaces, 2 headbands, 2 pairs of glasses, and a stand for $1.25. That's 7 pieces. Get 4 and you have a Barbie accessory advent calendar for $5. Sorry, I got distracted. Number 15. We're getting some floral pants with an elastic waistband. They stop a little past mid-shin. I could see me using these as PJs. Day 16 is another necklace. And behind door number 17, we find another necklace. This one isn't too bad. I do like that it's a silver color. On day 18, we get a ring? Yep, it's a silver metallic Barbie ring for a human. I would have loved to have seen a metallic purse or even jewelry. What happens if we cut off the back of the ring, then glue a piece of chain to the back to make a silver heart purse with the Barbie logo? Opening door 19, we got our 3rd pair of sunglasses. They're pink and they're stars. On day 20, we get a peach-colored hat. It has a woven texture and a cutout design. Door 21 has 3 bracelets, orange, blue, and silver. On day 22, we get lavender shoes. I think the style is kinda cute. On day 23, there's a headband. Then on day 24, there is a pink lip purse, which we have seen before. And for the grand finale, on day 25, we get a pair of blue shoes. We're kind of getting 3 complete outfits with purses, shoes, and accessories. A doll with the basic 5 points of articulation, and a cat. We could put together something similar using a Barbie fashionista from Target. Price match with the app and get her for $7.99. Add 2 fashion packs from Walmart and 3 accessory packs from the dollar store, which adds up to about $23.72, not including tax and travel. But if the advent calendar has a suggested retail price of $33, by creating your own, you could save a little money. We could even swap out the fashionista for a made-to-move doll, and then we would break about even. But when it comes to the advent calendar, this dress is definitely my favorite piece. And while I would have liked to have seen more cold weather fashion, I have an idea for how we can use this bathing suit in a winter scene. Let's take a scrap of foam board, measure up 4 inches, and cut a long rectangle. Mine measures 4 by 20, but I'm gonna glue an extra 2 inches onto the end to make it a little longer. I score lines going all the way down so it can bend, then glue it into a circle. I cut a square of foam board that is larger than our circle. I cut a circle out of a wood grain scrapbook paper, glue it onto the flat piece of foam board, glue our cylinder or tube on top, glue more scrapbook paper around the edge, then cut 3 smaller rectangles of foam board, cover them with leftover scrapbook paper, then glue them together to make a step, and we're going to glue that right onto the side. Hang a small rectangle of fleece, felt, or a cut sock over the side to hopefully look like a towel and cover the seam where we connected the circle. I take the plastic that wrapped the advent calendar and place it inside to make a quick hot tub for the dolls. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a Barbie advent calendar and made a quick little hot tub. I'm just touching up the edges of the paper with a little brown paint. Better. And now our dolls can rock their new bathing suit even on a snowy day. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!